Lentils are a remarkable example of how humble, plant-based foods can deliver powerful health benefits. These tiny legumes, which come in varieties like green, brown, red, and black, are not only packed with protein but also deliver an impressive array of essential nutrients, most notably fiber, iron, folate, and other key minerals. Lentils have been a dietary staple in cultures around the world for thousands of years, and for good reason. They are affordable, easy to cook, and one of the most nutrient-dense plant-based proteins available. One of the standout qualities of lentils is their protein content. A single cooked cup offers around 18 grams of protein, making them one of the richest plant-based protein sources. While lentils are not a complete protein on their own, they lack sufficient amounts of methionine, one of the essential amino acids. This limitation is easily overcome by pairing them with whole grains like rice, quinoa, or whole wheat. Together, they form a complete protein that meets the body's needs for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and immune support. For vegetarians, vegans, and those cutting back on animal products, lentils provide a valuable and sustainable alternative to meat. Beyond protein, lentils are particularly rich in dietary fiber, offering about 15 grams per cooked cup, more than half of the daily recommended intake. This high fiber content supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. The soluble fiber in lentils helps slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reduce the absorption of cholesterol, all of which contribute to improved heart health and reduced risk of metabolic diseases. People dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes can especially benefit from the blood sugar regulating properties of lentils, as their low glycemic index helps avoid spikes in glucose levels. Lentils are also an excellent source of iron, particularly non-heme iron, the type found in plant foods. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen throughout the body. A deficiency in iron can lead to fatigue, weakness, and impaired cognitive function. While non-heme iron is less readily absorbed than the heme iron found in meat, consuming lentils with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes, bell peppers, or citrus fruits can significantly enhance absorption. For individuals who don't consume red meat, lentils are a critical tool for maintaining healthy iron levels and avoiding anemia. Another standout nutrient in lentils is folate, a B vitamin that is crucial for DNA synthesis, cell division, and neural development. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils can provide nearly 90% of the recommended daily intake of folate, making them especially important for pregnant women and those planning pregnancy, as adequate folate is essential for preventing neural tube defects in developing babies. Lentils also contribute significant amounts of magnesium, potassium, zinc, and manganese, minerals that support everything from blood pressure regulation to bone health and enzyme function. From a culinary standpoint, lentils are wonderfully versatile. They cook quickly compared to other legumes, usually in 15 to 30 minutes, and don't require pre-soaking, making them ideal for quick meals. They absorb flavors well and work beautifully in soups, stews, salads, curries, veggie burgers, and even baked goods. Red lentils break down easily and are perfect for thickening dishes, while green and brown lentils hold their shape and add a hearty texture to meals. Because they're shelf-stable and inexpensive, lentils are an ideal pantry staple for both everyday meals and emergency preparedness. For those focused on sustainability, lentils offer another compelling advantage. They require far less water and energy to grow compared to animal protein, and they enrich the soil by fixing nitrogen, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Choosing lentils as a protein source not only supports personal health, but also contributes to a more environmentally responsible food system. Even though lentils are exceptionally healthful, individuals with digestive sensitivities may want to introduce them gradually, as the fiber content can initially cause bloating or gas for those unaccustomed to eating legumes. Proper preparation, such as rinsing lentils thoroughly and cooking them well, can minimize these effects. Additionally, people with specific conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may need to monitor portion sizes or consult with a healthcare provider to determine their tolerance. In summary, lentils are an affordable, accessible, and nutrient-rich superfood that delivers plant-based protein, abundant fiber, and essential minerals in every bite. They support digestion, heart health, energy production, and long-term disease prevention, all while offering culinary flexibility and environmental sustainability. Whether you're seeking to eat more plant-based meals, improve your nutrition, or simply add more variety to your diet, lentils are a foundational food that punches far above their weight.